Hello and welcome back to this channel. This is DaveTech, and in this video I'll show you how to remove an account with Onn TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get straight into it. Now you're going to navigate to the top. On this top bar, you see I have these profiles here. I have this first one and this second one. So I'm logged into the first profile, DaveTech, and I'm going to be trying to remove this account, the second account. So you log into the account first. So the first requirement is that you log into the account. The second step is that you move into quick settings. Go to all settings and navigate down to accounts and profiles. Under accounts and profiles, choose the account of choice. So I'm looking to remove this account. So clicking on it gives me more options, and I can navigate down to the option that says remove at the bottom of the screen. So if I hit remove, I'm going to be asked to confirm, because this will remove the account that you no longer be logged in with Google services on the device. So click on remove, and this will take away that account, removing it from your Onn TV. If you found that insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.